Hi, I'm Noonies. Thanks for watching Adventures with Noonies. Today, our Burr venture is at Cincinnati Nature Center, or Rowe Woods. We are doing the Fernwood Loop. It's 2.3 miles, 260 some feet of elevation gain. We were going to do the Cincinnati Nature Center Loop, which was 4 miles, but we're expecting 4 to 6 inches of snow soon. Oh, there's somebody with a dog over there. But there's so much here. It does cost $12 to get in here. And there's also children's rates. I'll put that in the comments or in the description, how much. But or you can get a membership. Someone just walked by, so I just was being respectful and didn't want to get him in. But there's so much to do here. Here's the parking lot. There's a... Here, I'll just turn this off and turn the camera around. There's a play area there. Right now, passes. I'm not even sure if this is the way we're going, but we're going to start here. I'm going to see where we're going first. I believe this is right. It's a butterfly. And the trail goes two ways here. But right now, I have 14 days to apply my $12 entrance fee to a annual pass, and they're on sale now, so I can get it for like $25, I think she said, dollars. I'll let you know if I do it, how much it was. Let's see, this says I can go either way, so I guess I'm to the left or to the right. Let's look at the map. We're going to the right. I'll let you know if I'm wrong. Last time I was here, I did the 10 plus mile perimeter trail, and that was a year or two ago. I don't remember exactly when. I've done that a couple times. So I'll let you know when we see something interesting. Anyone want a seat? Get a cold, wet booty. Here's our first crossroads. I think we go this way. Maybe we started? I don't know. Parking lot's right over there. So we've done close to half a mile, according to all trails. And we really haven't left the parking lot area. I believe we're going to go to the right. But I just want to show you this up here. I just saw a group of women about my age. I'd like to find a group like that. They were like moving at my speed. All the hiking groups I've done, they're like super fast. That's not me. So here, light trail. You can't see it all. Maybe if I have time, we'll go that way. If not, that means we have to come back. I have company coming over tonight. And right before I left, I prepared a roast and put it in the crock pot. So, when I'm done, gotta go home and clean and fix dinner. So let's get back on the trail. And that looks like you can walk there at night. I think I saw a commercial back there where we were. Yes, squirrel moment. If you've watched my videos long enough, you know a squirrel is my spirit animal. But I think they're selling tickets for a nighttime walk there. I'm not sure what's that way. We just came from there. So when you're walking, you're no longer going to see the butterfly. You're going to see the fern, which we're doing the Fernwood Trail. And I saw my first snowflake. So as long as I'm out of here before we get to 4 to 6 inches, I'm good. I don't mind driving in snow. I don't mind hiking in snow. And I brought my backpacking backpack just in case I get trapped in here for some reason, but I forgot a snack. I have water. Oh, I have enough weight on me. I can go for a while. Haha. This has been pretty easy so far. One hill that wasn't bad. I didn't need my trekking poles. I just went down a little slowly because of the wet leaves, but it's pretty easy, easy peasy. All Trails says it's easy. I read in the comments that somebody, or that their website says it's the most difficult trail. I'll let you know what I think. But I don't even think I've been a mile on the trail, so. Well, here's another crossroads, so I'll let you see this. Fern Trail goes the way we came or to the right. And there's a flower, so I guess that other trail would have gone there and just added more steps. There's a shelter there. It's blocked off. We're still on the Fernwood Trail, with a little fern on the post. It's pretty. The 2 times I've been here, I did the perimeter trail, and both times I came up this hill. And I tell you what, yes, I'm going slowly, it's wet and icky, and it's not that bad though, but I'm just taking my time. But I'll tell you what, going down so far is 10 times easier than going up. And that's a good sign, because before my knees were replaced, and until maybe not even a year ago, going up a hill was much easier than going down. So, whoop whoop, progress. We're still going down forever and ever. That doesn't sound right. Is this an old cistern? Huh. Well, we're not allowed to go there. I wonder what that was. Interesting. I love looking at history and trying to picture what things may have looked like at one time. Maybe this is why it's called the Fernwood Trail. I don't know. The further down we go on the trail, which we've gone pretty far down on it, that looks like the bottom, the more muddy it gets. Ice skating! It's like I'm at Doe Run. No, Doe Run was horrible. No, let's correct that. I love Doe Run Park. I loved the trail there. But the day I went, the trails were horrible because they were so unbelievably muddy. It was like ice skating. They're muddy here. Very muddy in parts, but nothing like that. I've never experienced that before. Use caution crossing bridge. Bounces up and down. Okay, now we're going back up. This is very, very muddy. So if you come here this time of the year with the snow, or just snow, I wouldn't expect it to be like this time of the year. Just be careful. There's people running right past me, and I'm like a baby just crawling through. It's all good. There I go sniffling. I did bring handkerchiefs. But guess what, folks? They're in the bottom of my backpack. Okay. We have a road crossing up here. It's kind of cool. I'm doing this in reverse of how I've done it before. So I like that. That's pretty. I love it. A couple more snowflakes fell. So it's coming. Still seeing a lot of people. Not like a ton of people, but pretty many. We're coming up to another road crossing, so I wanted to show you this. If you come on this trail and think, where do I go? We don't go that way. I guess that was Groesbeck Estate down there. Ooh, pretty pillars. It's snowing and it's coming down heavier, just flurries. But I've gone like a mile and a half. I thought this was like 2 miles, maybe it's 2 point something. And it said I had over a mile to go. So we need to book it. But we're still on the Fern Trail. So we are good. I went to make a correction. We only have a half mile to go. Well, a little more than a half mile. But the trail's going to be more than 2 miles. And it looks like, looking at the trail, I don't know which way to go here. I think we go right. Maintenance only. This looks like the Fern Trail can go either way. So, parking to the left. So I'm sure we go this way. That's odd. I'll tell you if we're different. I'm checking the map. Woohoo! It's now snowing. Little flakes right now. We could go down there. But because, well, no, it says a Fern Trail the way we came. There. The butterfly can go straight or down, but since we have less than a half mile to go, I'm thinking if we go this way, I'll check, I'll let you know if I'm wrong. I'm seeing things that look like we're getting close, like maybe a parking lot. Not ours. Ooh, I don't think I've ever been to this part. I've seen the pond, but not this one. Cool. I have done this before. Okay. Trail temporarily closed. I think. Then again, maybe not. This looks familiar, but not that. Maybe that's for the light show. Bonfire and cabin. Well, we're not doing it. We'll just take a peek at the cabin. Oh, I love it. I've never seen it. Yes, I have. I think I know where we are. We're close to the parking lot, I believe. Okay. We can't get into it. I've been in it before. I'm thinking we need to turn around. But I don't think I've been on the pond that way. So I was right. I've been here, but not back there. So, I love it. I ran into another woman who said she was taking off layers. She overdressed too. And I'm glad I have my rain poncho and my coat. You don't need to see my trekking poles. So pretty. This is beautiful. There's, I think it's called Lotus Pond. I've been by other ponds here, but whoopsie, not this one. I don't think, and maybe I have been. Ooh. This is fun. Oh, shucks. We're not allowed to go on the boardwalk. It's closed. Isn't that awesome? Oh, this is so much fun. It's snowing. There's the pond. There's things for kids. Like, oh. This has been a relatively easy hike. Lift for Answers. Who goes there? I don't know if you could see that because the phone's not turned around and oh well. Oh man. I want to walk here at night. Not tonight. This is, I don't know if you can see snow. Yeah, you can see snow on me. Oh, I'm glad I'm out of the woods though. God's good. I know I'm close to a parking lot. So I have 0.3 miles probably to go. When I started this trail, it was 0.33. But I don't know which way to go here. We either go back in the woods, it looks like, or that way. I'm saying that way. I'll get on all trails and let you know. How awesome. Picture this at nighttime. Whoop, whoop. What are they building there? I've still seen a few people in the snow. I'm not the only crazy one. I see a parking lot. Is it the one I'm parked in? That I don't know. It looks like an apartment complex. Which way do I go? It says Butterfly. That way, parking that way. Let's see. Okay, not sure what that is. Food truck. I'm hungry. I have a roast at home. Well, I'm hungry now. I believe we go this way. We're following the light still. Isn't this cool? I'm wondering if that's in the kids' place because I think we're heading towards where I'm parked. I don't know. I believe I have less than a quarter of a mile to go. Rowe Visitor Center, that's what the sign says, that way. I think I'm parked over here. There's still a lot of cars here. Am I parked here? Huh. Maybe not. Maybe I need to get on all trails. I think I might be down there. Where am I parked? I'm not here. That's the visitor center. I'm down there. Just letting you see, we came out right over there. That's the parking lot. The visitor center is there. And when I turned around here, I came down where that car just pulled out. That's where I pulled into. So you can tell there's still pretty many people here. Not a whole lot. That parking lot's pretty full. People are still coming in. So, and I'll show you where we started. I'm parked over there. But we started right there. Oh my goodness, I had so much fun. There's nothing bad about this trail. All Trail says it's easy. Maybe 20, 30 years ago, I would have said it was easy, and actually it was relatively easy, but I wouldn't classify it as easy. I would classify it as moderate, and the reason why is because of the hills. There's a lot of ups and downs, and a lot of people may not find that easy, and I was actually going, I'm part of it, but no, it was amazing. This is a wonderful place. I love winter hiking. Overdressed, too many layers. I have 3 shirts on. Well, let's see. Oh no, yeah, I have 3 shirts on in this, and that was too much. I was dressed more for the low 20s to mid 20s, and it's in the low 30s. Well, it might be more than that now. When you're walking, the blood gets pumping and you get warmer, so I didn't need all this. It was just fun. It really was. So I'm going to go home, check on my roast, clean up a bit. So I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day.